what's going on? Welcome to my experience, y'all. I'm the one and only Jerry Brokman, aka Finger Roll, whatever you want to call it. But today, check it out. If you are a restaurant owner, then this is going to be your video. If you use Doordash, whether you got a restaurant, a brick and mortar, whether you got a ghost kitchen, a cloud kitchen, or whether you got a home kitchen, but you use Doordash as your platform, I'm going to show you some tricks. We're going to log into the merchant account. And I'm gonna show you things that I had to figure out, some things that I learned, and just some, little information. If you don't know what Doordash, how to work your account, if you never logged into your merchant account, you might be missing some money. But I'm gonna show you today how to figure out, move through the system, how to make money with your Doordash, you know what I mean? So if you are a restaurant owner, you better watch this. We about to get into it. I'm gonna flip my screen and log into my account. You ready? Here we go. All right, here we go, y'all. We inside my Doordash. So what we want to do right here, I'm just gonna, you got your home, you got insights, you got operation quality, you got most love, you got pricing, you got reports, you got customers, you got orders, marketing, how to run your campaigns. If you do any campaigns, this is where you click on if you want to see what your campaigns are doing, how much money you made from your campaigns, how much money Doordash is getting from your campaigns. You got your menu manager, and you got your store availability. You got your financials, and you got your settings. On today's video, we're gonna show you, we're gonna go into right here, operations quality. You get to see your errors right here, your items, your rates. You get to see what items you had errors on, what items were incorrect or missing. So if your staff didn't do a good job and forgot to put some in there, or if you know you put some in there, then you got an option to dispute it. Either the Dasher stole it or somebody, I don't know. So what you want to do, tip number one, all you do is just click right here, view missing incorrect error charges. Once you click on that, bam, it could show you the wrong order. If the Dasher picked up the wrong order and delivered it to the customer. Right here, missing velvet cake. This cake was put in there. So if you believe that you put that cake in there, you know you did, then this is what they charge you, minus $7.95. So you want to go over here to order details. Once you click on order details, we're going to go into the order details. Now, once you click on order details, look what pops up, y'all. The customer reported one or more missing items resulting in the error charge. That means that you didn't get paid for that. That means that either the DoorDasher took it, ate the cake. But you got an option to rate that Dasher if you feel you put it in there, get help, or dispute the charges. Once you hit dispute the charges, it'll tell you, hey, this is what I'm disputing, and I'm gonna dispute the error charge, which you can have the option to do that. Also, you can explain what happened. Other reason, order handled improperly, order picked up late, item not picked up, item prepared as requested. If you feel that you prepared this item as requested, you would hit that and dispute this charge. Right then and there, error charge refund pin. Doordash is gonna look at this, see if it was valid, and they're gonna give you back that $7.95 that they took away. So that's something that you need to always check if you're a restaurant. You go to your missing or incorrect error charges. Now you could go down to marketing, and you want to see your campaigns reporting. You want to know what's going on, what campaigns are doing good, what campaigns are completed. So right now you'll see first order, 0 delivery fees. This is where it shows that your campaign is active. This shows the start date. It has no end date. So what you want to do is let your campaigns run, especially if they're doing well. So now, if I want to see how good this campaign had did in the last 30 days, then voila, here it is. The start date was November 7th. From the sales, I made up $1,000 from sales. I had 28 customers, and it costed me $144 to run this promotion. As you can see, hey, that promotion did pretty good. I made $1,000 and only cost me $144. So promotions are good. When you click on here, you get to see exactly what this campaign was doing. Your campaign generated 7.06 in sales for every one you spend on promos. All right, tells you your total cost, it tells you your total sales, and it tells you your return of your ad spend. So that's one thing you want to look into your campaigns and see what's going on, what campaigns are working, what campaigns are not. And if you want to start a campaign, then all you do is click run a campaign. Once you run that campaign, you can hit the get started button. It'll ask you a few questions. What would you like to do? Do you want to earn 3,000 weekly sales, 20% off of $5 or $5 off? You got an option to select that. You got an option to customize your campaign. So once you click on customize campaign, Doordash is cooking up a campaign for you. You can say, hey, target all customers. If you don't want to target all your customers, then you could just target existing customers. Or you could target lapsed customers. These are the customers that ordered from you and haven't ordered from you in over 45 days. A lot of times what I did was I target those lapsed customers. You know, a lot of times I said, hey, let me get these customers back to me, to my restaurant. So that's what I did. I clicked on that button. People that ordered from me before and haven't ordered in a while, I'm like, hey, here go a discount. If you order from me now, here go a discount. And that's how you get back them customers that haven't ordered from you in a while. Just hit lapsed customers. That's a promo tip, y'all. So let's check it out. And you see your campaign link. You can always end your campaign, choose a date. Hey, I want my campaign to start tomorrow, but I want to end it next month. What I suggest is always keep it going. You know, it's recommended because that way, you know, sometimes the campaign doesn't get pumped up right away. So you might want to go for a week or two. Don't just start 3 days and end it, you know, in 3 days because you're not going to get the full, you know, max out of your campaign. All right. So that is how you get into the campaigns and you start a campaign. Another thing that you may not know or familiar with, you got your storefront right here. If you want to start a storefront, storefront shows how many sales you got from your storefront, your total orders, what you made, and it gives you a little analytics on stuff from your storefront. Now your storefront right here, you get a link. You can copy this link, paste it in any of your website or paste it in your social media, and then people will be able to order from your storefront. It also has, you know, frequent asked questions about your page and stuff like that. But orders that come through storefront, you know, is also discounted where you're not paying those commissions. So you might want to look into that, y'all, if you don't know about that. Another thing we always like to see right here, and you go into insights and you want to go to most loved. So once you get to most loved, welcome to the most loved program. If you haven't signed up for this, then sign up for most loved. Most loved merchants get more in-app visibility and recognition and other exclusive perks. So if you haven't, go ahead and check it. You got to qualify for it, so you got to have certain things. But if you enroll in it, you know, your estimated cash back, I'm getting $75 back. So you get rewards from that. So that's something, if you haven't clicked on it, just try it, you know. Also in Insights, you also get to see your sales overview, what you made. It shows you statistics of your sales, where they dropped, when they went up, stuff like that. These are a few things that I frequently visit, y'all. So on my Doordash account, those are things that I frequently always tapping into. I'm always looking at, I'm always checking. So make sure you go through your merchant's account, test out the features, test out some things. Got my eye on, you know, I'm watching those things, especially the error charges. Because a lot of times, if you feel that you did that order right, then you could dispute it. You could dispute the dasher. You can even block, rate the dasher. So those are things that you want to pay attention to. All right, make sure you share this page and make sure you like it. Because if you want more information, I need to see some more likes, and I'll start breaking down certain things that help me. On the next video, y'all, I'm going to share a couple more things about the Doordash merchant account that you probably didn't even know. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you share this page, and like. Now comment below if you got any questions about this video, what I showed you, or if you want to see something in the next video, because I'm doing another video on the Doordash merchant account. Next video, how Doordash will give you money and fund you for whatever you need to use the money for. But I'm going to show you that in the next video, so stay tuned.